Hey everybody, are you having trouble with your cuckoo clock? Most of the time, or sometimes it cuckoos normally, and then sometimes the cuckoo clock gets stuck. Uh, if you look at this tab on this 8-point star wheel, it's bent wrong. It sticks up higher than all the other tabs. And if I can get this thing to cuckoo, when it gets to that tab right there, and maybe another one, the bellow on this low note lift side bellow goes up further than every other time, and that's because that tab is bent too far out. And I'll explain it again, but I want to show you what happens. Right there, it's hitting that tab that is bent too far out, and the clock stops because it's putting too much pressure on this bellow. This gives you a better idea of what I'm talking about. I'm going to deliberately screw this movement up. This is called an 8-point star wheel. It has 8 little tabs on it. So here I messed this tab up. And so what was going on with that clock, whenever the low note lift bellow, which is the shorter arm here, whenever it went to that tab, it was causing the clock to get stuck because that tab sticks out too high. And I don't know if it's going to do it here because I don't have bellows connected to it. But if your clock is working, if it's cuckooing just fine, and then it gets stuck, it very well possibly could be one of these tabs on this 8-point star wheel is bent out of place. So you might want to check it out. And you might only notice it if the clock is cuckooing 8 times or more. Because, again, there's 8 points on the star wheel, so it might get stuck with it cuckooing 2 times, but it might be because this bent tab was one of the 2 tabs that it was on when it cuckooed. I hope this helps explain what I'm trying to talk about. And so you might want to check that out. Now that I have the tab bent correctly, stand by and I'll show you what it's supposed to do. I have the tab bent correctly now, and so that was 6. Like I said, you'll know on the 8 o'clock whether it's worked or not. 7, and it's already gone around 13 times. Well, actually 15 times. It's hit 15 tabs because it cuckooed 6, the half hour, and the 7. 7:30, and here's 8 o'clock. I hope this helps. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. May God bless.